How to fix slow loading in Outlook. So here I am in the Outlook application, and today we're going to fix the slow loading. So we're going to learn how to speed up the loading process right here in Outlook. The first thing that you can do is that when your emails are not loading properly, what you can do is that you can go to send and receive. Then you can go ahead and click send and receive all folders so that they will go ahead and sync immediately. And then what you can also do is that you can go right here to send and receive groups and then define send and receive groups. And then right here, make sure that the schedule and automatic send and receive is turned on, and then you can just use every 1 minute. Then you can also do the same with this one, schedule and automatic send and receive every 1 minute as well when Outlook is offline. So this will make sure that your email is synced properly, and then uh, it loads up properly as well. And then the next thing that you can do is that you can go to File, go to Options. From here, go to Advanced. Make sure that the RSS feeds is turned off. So this because this also contributes in slowing down the Outlook loading. Then what you can also do is that we can go right here to the auto archive section. From here, go to auto archive settings, and then you can also turn this on. So what this does is that it will automatically move your old emails into the archive. So this is helpful because it will archive or delete some of the older emails that you don't really use right here anymore in your Outlook account. So this way it saves up space and speeds up the loading process of Outlook. So after that, we can close this. And then the next thing that we can do is that we can set the priority for the Outlook application to be high. So to do that, just right click in your taskbar and then open Task Manager. From here, you can find Outlook right here, and then you can right click on it, click Go to Details. From here, we should now have the Outlook.exe right here. So just click on that, and then for the set priority, it's either you can choose high or real time. So this way, your computer will prioritize running Outlook fast. So just click real time, then click change priority, and then that is it. So those are the solutions that we can do to fix the slow loading in Microsoft Outlook. I hope you learn how to do it, and thank you for watching.